Well, hello everyone. As you guys know, in the past, I tried quite a bit of fly, and the vise I had is the one right there. It's a Regal vise. It's basic, pretty much basic vise. It upgrade a little bit. The first one I had, I paid like $19-20 for it, and it helped me to get started. And then I need something better, so I upgrade to this one. And this one is doing fine for me the last couple of years. It still work, nothing wrong with it. But the more advanced when I realize if I need to put resin on it and heat it, dry it up, then this vise gives me very minimal rotation. It still does. It gives me some rotation, but it's not free or 100% true rotation. So I think this time I work on it long enough, and I need to have something advanced to tie it better, to make fly look better. So I'm going to upgrade my vise, and the vise I just got today from the mail, which is this one. Okay, this is I don't believe this one is really professional or the best of the best, but it's one step higher upgrade than the one Regal one I had before. With this one, let me try to bend the box down. Okay. With this one, this is how it is, and this is the head, and this is the bracket. So basically, this is how the vise look like after I install them, and basically this is how it's going to look. Something like this, and this is the bracket for it. Okay, so this is the bracket, and this is the vise. Okay, hopefully with this one it's 100% rotation, so you can turn it up and down much easier than the Regal one I had before. So hopefully by invest more better vise, invest in the better vise, better glasses, because I'm almost blind. I'm 60 years old. My eyesight is not too good anymore. So even though when I'm wearing my glasses, I still can't see much with little detail, a little tiny fly. So the best way is improve myself by get better glasses and get better vise. So this is I'm going to use in the future, and this is called Odyssey Spider. Odyssey Spider fly type vise. This one is just one step improved from my old vise, but it's not really the best of the best. I don't believe so. This is better vise than the one I had before. That's all. Okay, just a few update with some of my friends been watching me on YouTube on my tying, fly tying, and I think I enjoy that pretty much. and now I got a lot of time on hand, so nothing much more than just tie it for fun, for hobby, and post on YouTube just for fun. So this is the vise that already set up. It looks quite nice. It looks kind of small, but I think it will do the job, get the job done for me, even though the vise, the head, it look a little bit tiny, but I believe it has more than enough power to hold the hook for me, and I'm kind of like pretty pleased with what I have. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye now.